Did you know that the way you consume certain foods can be the key to making your diet healthier and more balanced? Eating an apple wrong won't make it harmful to your health, but it can reduce or even eliminate the benefits it has. Let's see 7 foods that you might be eating wrong. Garlic. If you slice or crush garlic immediately before using it, you might be wasting its main beneficial component. The healthy component of garlic only acts when it's crushed, and it needs 5 to 10 minutes to kick in. Olive oil. Many people use olive oil in hot recipes, but this ingredient is much more beneficial when used for seasoning salads at room temperature. Combining good fats with the fiber of a salad increases the sensation of satiety and improves nutrient absorption. Vegetables. If you cook your vegetables, you eliminate many of their vitamins and nutrients. When cooked, foods lose most of their nutrients to the water, which is usually discarded after cooking. That means you end up throwing away many essential nutrients. To avoid this loss, steam your vegetables to preserve more of their nutrients. Apple. If you eat your apples peeled or heated, you waste a big part of their nutritional value. The apple skin is particularly rich in nutrients like fiber and antioxidants. It has benefits such as improving intestinal function, increasing satiety, preventing premature aging and diseases, has anti-inflammatory effects, and much more. Juices. If you replace your fruits with juices, you are throwing away many nutrients and increasing your calorie intake at the same time. Some vitamins oxidize, and nutrients like fiber are lost when we make juices. That doesn't mean you can't ever drink juice again, but opt for the whole fruits whenever possible. Another important detail is that juices have to be drunk immediately after being made to avoid nutrient loss, and of course, consumed in moderation. Yogurt. Contrary to what people think, yogurt isn't always a healthy option. Some yogurts sold as healthy options are full of added sugars, calories, and harmful chemical additives. Plain yogurts, those without added sugars and preservatives, are healthier, but since they are rich in calcium, it is better not to eat them combined with iron-rich foods because iron and calcium compete against each other for absorption. The best way for consuming yogurt is to choose the healthy versions and eat them pure, without any iron-rich foods. Meats. The doneness of the meat is crucial and needs to be taken into account. If it is rare, you are at risk of ingesting bacteria and other microorganisms that cause health problems. If it is well done, it can develop toxic substances. It happens because when meat burns or is overcooked, a toxic, cancerous substance is formed. The ideal is to eat your meats medium. Not too rare, not too well done. Were you eating any of these foods wrong? Share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.